In this video, I'm sharing a few of my favorite free resources that I leverage as a recruiting agency owner. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know about you, but I love anything and everything that is free and useful for me to be able to run my business. I do pride myself on trying to be as efficient as I possibly can, so tools really come in handy to keep me on my toes. And I want to share a few of my favorites with you. Now, before we dive into this video, I do want to note that this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. So this is just all my opinion and things that I have found to be really helpful for myself. So the first resource is otter.ai. Basically, it's an app that can save you a ton of time in regards to conducting interviews and having to take notes. The app allows you to record your conversation and then it transcribes that conversation in real time. So gone are the days of you trying to remember every single little thing that was said during your interview. Otter.ai essentially does this for you. And then once you have the transcript, you can then take or pull out the bits and pieces of information that you need in order to be able to send those details to your client. And keep in mind that the free plan is pretty basic, but Otter.ai does have plans that are paid and offer more features. But before you take on the financial commitment of any of those plans, make sure to try out the free version to make sure that you like it. My second resource is Zoom, and I feel like everyone knows what Zoom is at this point, but if you don't, then Zoom is essentially a video conferencing platform. It's super helpful when you're conducting interviews or if you're scheduling meetings with prospective clients. All you have to do is share the details in regards to being able to log into the Zoom meeting, and then whomever you shared those details with is able to log into the meeting at the same time as you. It just makes conducting video calls so easy. Now, while I have moved on from Zoom to another paid platform, Zoom does have a free feature that you can leverage. The features are limited, of course, but it does give you what you need in order to be able to get started. So if you haven't checked out Zoom yet, then I highly recommend that you do that. Now, if you're enjoying this content so far, then be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my videos that drop weekly. Okay, so last but not least, one of my favorite go-to free resources is Asana. I love Asana for staying organized with anything and everything that is related to my business. And Asana does allow you the ability to add others. So essentially, you're able to assign tasks to all of those individuals that you add to your Asana. So as your business grows, Asana is able to grow with you. And of course, as mentioned with all of the other resources, Asana does have a free option that is very limited. However, for it to be considered limited in terms of the features, I actually think that they're pretty extensive. So if you are like me and you're looking for an easy way to stay organized, I highly recommend that you sign up for Asana. Now, this was not all encompassing at all in terms of the free resources that I have leveraged in order to run my business. So if you want to learn more about other free resources that I have leveraged, then be sure to comment down below free resources so that I know you want a part 2 to this video. Well, that is it for this video. If you liked it, then be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to join my Facebook group. I'll leave that link down below in the description box. We are in there talking all things recruiting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.